Okay, let's take a look at the home screen and show you what the various sections do. This will also show you what you end up with when you have loaded in locations and members and have created a few events. The home screen has three distinct areas: your calendar, your schedule, and your message board. You can expand the calendar just by clicking on the header there. To get back to the home screen, just click on Multi-View. And of course your schedule and message board can be expanded as well. Again, to get back to the home screen, just click on Multi-View. You can click on an individual day on the calendar. That brings up all the events for that day. You can then click on that event to see the detail, or click the check mark to get back to the home screen. So the calendar gives you a quick look at upcoming events. And your schedule screen shows you any events that you've been scheduled for. It shows the name of the event, what group you're scheduled for, and what position you're scheduled for. And the ability to accept or decline the position, the X and the check mark. And of course you can also accept or decline in the email notification that you received for each event. If you're the administrator, you can click on the clipboard and actually plan the event right from the schedule there. Now the other neat thing is the play button. That allows you to launch practice right from the schedule. So you can click on that, and the songs in the playlist for that particular event, you can practice those on screen. So you don't have to run around gathering music so that you can practice. Let's move to the message board. The message board is a handy way of the administrator and each team member to communicate back and forth with each other. The green check mark, you can mark it as read, that you read it. You can send a reply, or of course you can delete the message. To add a message, just click the little plus sign. Pops up a menu where you can type in a message, and you can choose who you would like to receive that message. Entire groups or specific members. And there's a feedback button where if you press that, you can type a message directly to the SamePage folks. Let us know. Give us ideas, comments, criticisms. We love hearing from you. The left-hand part of the screen is where the playlist shows up when you click on an event. So you launch an event, and there's your playlist. Of course, we will detail exactly how to create a playlist in a later tutorial. Back to the home screen. If you need some help, and don't we all from time to time, SamePage has an extensive help center, which you can access just by clicking on the little question mark. The X closes the help, or you can go into Help Options, which pops up this screen, allows you to navigate to specific forms of help. And with this being an online program, we try to keep that updated, so that will change from time to time, so maybe check back every now and then, particularly the release notes. As you navigate around the home screen, the Help section will populate with topics that are pertinent to the section of the home screen that you're working with. So we'll close that up. The home screen is designed to have icons at the top that don't have labels on them as a default. However, as you mouse over them, you can see the labels pop up to show what each icon does. However, if you'd like to see the labels underneath each icon, very simply just click on your name and then go into Advanced Options and then click on the Show Menu Labels option. Click the check mark and the menu labels show up. That's a quick overview on how to navigate the home screen. Of course, in other tutorials we get into great detail on how to set up each of those sections that we navigated through.